Okay. So we have a table of valencies of some common elements and group. Okay. Let us see. First, hydrogen, sodium, potassium, copper, mercury, chlorine, iodine, nitrate, calcium, iron, oxygen, sulfur, phosphate, carbonate, aluminium, nitrogen, phosphorus, and carbon. So these are the elements. These are the elements we have. These are the elements we have. Okay, and their symbols and valencies are in this table. Okay, so just look. Hydrogen is denoted by H, sodium Na, potassium K, copper Cu, mercury Hg, chlorine Cl, iodine I, nitrate NO3, calcium Ca, iron Fe, oxygen O, sulfur S, sulfate SO4, carbonate CO3, aluminium Al, nitrogen N, phosphate PH4, and carbon C. First of all, you need to remember elements name and their symbols. Okay. Then after, remember their valency. Okay. The number of valency of hydrogen is 1, sodium 1, potassium 1, copper 1 or 2. In some case, the valency of copper is 1. In some case, valency of copper is 2. Similarly, Hg, mercury 1 or 2, chlorine 1, iodine 1, nitrate 1, calcium 2, iron 2 or 3, oxygen 2, sulfur 2, 4 or 6, sulfate 2, carbonate 2, aluminium 3, nitrogen 3 or 5, phosphate 3, and carbon 4. Okay, so write down this table in your notebook and remember. And I was also told you that write down each and every table of your science book in your copy and remember it. Okay, because it is not for your 7th standard academics, it is also very necessary for higher study in higher classes like 8th, 9th, 10th. These values are very important, and the use of these values are also in class 8th, 9th, 10th, in even 11th and 12th in higher classes too. Okay, so you need to remember the valencies, symbols, and the elements name. Okay, now we talk about how we write the formula. Let us see how we write the formula. Okay, so here is some chemical formula. Okay, let us see how we write chemical formula. Compounds, elements, groups with valencies and formula. We have some compounds are there like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, sodium carbonate, calcium chloride. Okay, and their elements with their valencies, and then after how we write formula. Okay, first of all, notice one thing. First is hydrochloric acid. Okay, in hydrochloric acid, one atom of oxygen and one atom of chlorine involved to make or to form this hydrochloric acid compound. Okay, sulfuric acid consists of one atom of hydrogen and two atom of sulfate. Okay, nitric acid consists of one atom of hydrogen and one atom of nitrates. Sodium carbonate contain one atom of sodium and two atom of carbonate. Calcium chloride consists of two atom of calcium and one atom of chlorine. Okay, so now we just we just interchange their valencies to write the formula. So right now what I said, that one atom, one atom, one atom, two atom, two atom, one atom, two atom, one atom. So these are the valencies. These are the valencies of the elements. Okay. While writing formula of any compound, we just interchange the valency of groups of elements or elements. Like let us see for example of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride having two elements or group of elements. First is sodium and second is CO3. We know that sodium having one valency. Okay, the number of valency of sodium is 1, and CO3 carbonate here is okay, carbonate is 2. So the valency of sodium is 1 and valency of carbonate is 2. While writing formula, we just interchange. Just we write sodium as like as sodium, carbonate as like as carbonate. Okay, we just interchange. Okay, so the valency of carbonate is 2. We just put this 2 in front of sodium. Okay, and the valency of sodium 1 is just put in front of carbonate 1. We are not considering 1. Okay, that's why the formula become Na2CO3. Okay, let us take another example. Calcium chloride having two elements, calcium and chloride. Okay, having calcium having two valency and chloride having one valency. Okay, we just interchange while writing the formula. Okay, calcium, chloride. Okay, calcium having one valency, we just write this one in front of calcium. Okay, the valency of chloride, okay, is written in front of calcium 1. Okay, and the valency of calcium is written in front of chloride, Cl2. Okay, hence CaCl2 is formula. Okay, so while writing formula, we just interchange. Okay, interchange the valency of elements or group of elements. We have hydrochloric acid HCl, we have sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, sodium carbonate Na2CO3, calcium chloride CaCl2. So by this way we just interchange. Okay, so here see here sulfate having valency 2, we just add the valency of 2 in front of hydrogen, and the valency of hydrogen is 1, we just add the valency of hydrogen in front of sulfate. Okay, here is 1 we do not consider. Okay, now the valency of NO3 nitrate is 1, we just write down the valency of nitrate in front of hydrogen 1, we not consider 1. Okay, not write, just assume that nothing is available, it means that 1. Okay, the valency of hydrogen is written in front of NO3. Similarly, the valency of carbonate is 2, we just put the valency of carbonate in front of sodium 2. Okay, and the valency of sodium is 1, we just put the valency of sodium in front of carbonate. So just we interchange the valency of elements or group of elements while writing any formula. You have to remember the table and also analyze the concept of interchanging the valency of elements or group of elements while writing any chemical formula of compound.